still be hungry. What am I? A dragon, of course, she said without hesitation. No, a woolen rug.
Call 911.
Should I call emergency services?
Yes.
Should I call emergency services?
Yes.
Netanyahu, I think, is just Israeli. In general, average people on the streets, they want to take real drastic measures, and they're about to, and take it nasty. And I support them 100%. Thanks, Johnny. Let's go to Gary in Kingsville, Maryland. Hi, Gary.
You just hit me.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
I called about Robert Kennedy Jr., but what, since you're talking about Hamas right here at the moment,
You just hit me. You just hit me. It doesn't matter. I want to file a report. I don't care. No. I'm going to follow you to wherever you go for hitting me. I don't care. You hit me. Whatever you say. Hello? Did you hear that? This woman just hit me. They finally pull over. They're swearing at me. He says, if you follow me, I'll kill you. They can hear me. I don't care. That's why you shouldn't hit me. I don't care. You just admitted you hit me. No. Did you hear that? It's a Michigan license. Now she just threw a can into my windshield. Michigan license plate. It's a Jeep 4x4. Now they just threw a bag at me. EMK 3152. I have a dash cam that just caught him throwing shit in my car too.
That you and I can see every day, but God can't see. But please don't cheat by reading the comment first, and don't forget to approximation if you love to solve mysteries. Thanks for stopping by. If you can solve this mystery question, then your IQ is above 120. So listen closely.
Oh God!
I can't wait. After Shoto and Artemis.
What the f is wrong with you?
Franchise. Call me when you get here and I'll meet you. Will do, he said.
Go!
Listen,
God!
I should warn.
Again, small he looked when he was up there saying, no, Michael, it must look like it doesn't be shown to be crossing the line. So his, like,